So we complete our five subtopics of AIDS: introduction about AIDS, structure of HIV, and mechanism of entering into host cell, replication in host cell, and how it damage the host cell, tests for HIV infection, and now we will talk about the drugs for suppress HIV infection. There are some drugs are present in market which can suppress the HIV infection. First one drug is Maraviroc. Maraviroc is available in market, and how it acts. Let's see here. We know that when the HIV virus contact within host cell, first the P120 protein contact and bind with CD4 molecules. After binding CD4 molecule, there are some modification occur in this P120 secondary modification occur, and this receptor go to the host cell membrane, and here the molecule CCR5 is present, and it binds with CCR5 molecules. After that, P41 combine with the cell membrane of a host cell and gives the genetic material inside it. But when we give the patient with Maraviroc drug, it go to the CCR5 receptor, and here it bind like rock. So this receptor is Maraviroc drug. When it is blocked, then after HIV attack the cell uh, and bind with CD4 molecules, this virus is unable to bind with CCR5 receptor. So when it is unable to bind with CCR5 receptors, so the next step which is the entering of host entering of HIV in host cell not occur, because when it is not bind, then P41 cannot combine the host cell and HIV cell, so the host cell will not any not enter in the host cell and infection not occur. This is a first drug, and the second one drug is a Infuartide. Infu INF Infuartide. Second, first drug is Maraviroc. Second drug is Infuartide. Infuartide is a drug. Uh, P41 here. Here is P41 wrapped around it. Therefore, after attaching the P120 with a CD4 molecule and CCR5 molecules, this virus cell are unable to enter in host cell, because this P41 is not functioning because of Infuartide drug. This is the second drug used in suppression of HIV. The number third drug is used in HIV, which is a nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. This is a group of drug which also inhibit the HIV infection. How it inhibit? What is the mechanism? See here. When when HIV enters into the host cell and capsid will disappear, then it reform DNA. We know DNA molecule is a polypeptide chain, and in polypeptide chain nucleotide are present. Nucleotide contains pentose sugar and phosphate molecule, nucleotide, and hydroxy group also. Each each nucleotide contain hydroxy group. This hydroxy group helps the to attachment of the other nucleotide, and with the help of hydroxy group or hydroxy, the chain will create. In this type of drug, uh, nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor, we form the amino nucleotides. We form nucleotides, but these nucleotide does not contain hydroxy molecule, and entering these drugs into the host cell. Uh, so, after entering the HIV virus into host cell, when reverse transcriptase functional, and it use this nucleotide to form RNA. When this nucleotide is used, because there is no hydroxy group, so the next nucleotide will not attach in this chain, therefore the process will not occur, and chain will stop. So the reverse transcriptase become dysfunctional because of hydroxy group is not present. So this is another type of drug which is used for suppress the HIV infection, and these drugs are didenosine, lamivudine, and zodivudine. These drugs uh, act or synthesize the special type of nucleotide which does not contain hydroxy group. So when hydroxy group is not present, it is used in DNA synthesis by reverse transcriptase, but there is no hydroxy group is present, therefore this chain or uh, this chain is stop, and this enzyme reverse transcriptase become dysfunctional. And another type of drug is present which is nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Here is here is the mechanism is different. It form nucleotide but does not contain hydroxy molecule, therefore this will not form. But here uh, reverse transcriptase will dysfunctional. How it dysfunctional? These type of drugs act on RNA dependent DNA polymerase side of reverse transcriptase and bind here. When these drugs go and bind here, the reverse transcriptase become dysfunctional and unable to form the DNA molecule. So HIV infection depressed by these drugs. And this drug is neri no nevirapine. Nevirapine. This is drug which inhibit directly to the reverse transcriptase. And here is another drug which is Rolti Graver. Rolti Graver. These are the drugs which inhibit the integrate enzyme. This enzyme. So after DNA formation occur, DNA form, but it is unable to insert in host gene or host DNA, and so infection will also suppress by this mechanism. This is the last option to suppress the HIV infection, because here RNA or genetic material of a virus enter in host cell and replicate successfully and form second or double strand DNA, but by this drug this is unable to enter in host gene, and because it is unable to enter host gene, so infection of HIV will not occur. And I think we will complete all these things. So drugs are very important in our syllabus, so we will try to combine all drugs here. Number one is Meravirog. See here, Meravirog. It inhibit CCR 5 molecules. Number two is Infovertide. It inhibit the P41, so the cell membrane of host cell and HIV cell not combine. And number three is a drug which is a group of drug protease inhibitor.